Welcome to Grudy's. As you walk off. Right. Back to the 2.9. Thought I'd show you some stuff about valve clearancing and blah, blah, blah. So we've pieced it all together. Set the timing. We haven't advanced it at all. Oh, come on. Haven't advanced it at all. We've left it straight up. She's on top dead center. This aircon 320, no, a non-aircon 320 balancer. I actually probably won't use this. I'll probably put a tooth trigger wheel on. My water pump set up, blah, blah, blah. Have number 1, number 6 in. Number 1 has, at the moment, number 1 has blue tack on the valve cutouts. Right. Okay. And what that'll do is that'll imprint in the cutout exactly where the valve's going to sit. Right, at the moment we have number 6 on rock, top dead center. Right, have we got a screwdriver? How are we going to... No, I'll just do it by hand. It's just too hard. I actually need to make a tool to do this. That'll be nice and easy. So we have just inner springs. We actually have about 7 mil. Fucking useless. And so we have more than 5 mil there. And this one is, these are set at 0 lash. So there'll be 0.25 extra. So yeah, put a couple in, wind him over. And we will put it back to where it was. I like to pull it apart at the right spot. So what we're actually chasing, I've already checked it, but down in here, we have a top dead center mark. And she's bang on. Alright. Now, let's see if we can get that in the shot. See how the marks don't line up? That's why we advance cams. That's why we run the nuke pulley. Alright. Let me show you something special. This is something no one's actually going to see. A few people have seen it. Real nice ports. Thanks, Tony. Did a great job, mate. Good old TK. Finish off the head for us. Rightio. Hold on. Let me get a torch. For you that haven't seen the videos, there's actually some videos on this. This is fully polished. Full isotropic polish, this crank, and it's had all the throws rounded and knife edged, semi-knife edged on the trailing edge. So yeah, all the main caps have been rounded. Let's see if we can get a, yeah, no, that's it. That's all we've got. So all the main caps have been rounded. Everything's been polished. Yeah, come up really, really nice. I'm actually going to pull the pistons out of this probably tonight. And open up the second ring gap. I have always run a tighter second ring gap, never had a problem with it. You actually don't have any problems with it, especially not on something like this. But I have seen a bit of a documentary from Total Seal, and I want to try something a little bit different. There's a maximum effort engine for me in my shop, so I would like to try something a little different and see if it actually makes the 350 horsepower we're chasing. The cylinder head says it should do 340. With the cam we've got, with everything we've got. I think 5 horsepower in the water pump, not a problem. I think the headers, we might gain a little bit in the headers, maybe not a lot, just a tiny bit. So yeah. Yeah, thought I'd show you all the hold on. the maximum effort 2.9. So it's not far off going back in the car. Should have the cylinder head all bolted down, ready to go, all the bottom end finished off, everything done. Guesstimation, a week and a half. I'm waiting on some cylinder heads. Cylinder head studs arriving. But yeah, she's all set up for external oil. So yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching, and hope you learn a little bit of stuff. But yeah, set up the roller, set everything up. The extra time you spend, this is, I had the head on last night, come off today, put some valves in, test it again. The quench is mega tight. It'll probably, piston might kiss ahead the tiniest little amount at about 8,000, we'll see. Yeah, it's getting exciting. Hope you have a lovely day. Sun was out. Not now, rain tomorrow.